Once, in a quiet forest, lived a tiny firefly named Flicker. Flicker's light was dim, and he often felt invisible next to the brighter fireflies. Every night, the fireflies gathered in the sky, dancing and glowing together. Flicker tried to join, but his faint light didn't seem to shine as bright. One night, a heavy storm darkened the forest, and all the fireflies hid in fear. Flicker noticed a small rabbit stuck in the rain, trembling under a tree. "I might be small," thought Flicker, "but my light can guide." Flying low, he led the rabbit to a dry, cozy burrow nearby. As the storm passed, the rabbit thanked Flicker, his eyes shining with gratitude. From then on, Flicker knew, even the smallest light could brighten someone's world. The message of the story: every small act of kindness can make a big difference.
Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.